I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus ES350 cabin air filter. First, make sure you have a new filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver ready. Park your car safely and turn off the engine before you begin. The cabin air filter is conveniently located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's air quality and is easy to do yourself. Now, open your glove compartment and remove everything inside to give yourself clear access. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently detach it. Next, press inward on both sides of the glove box simultaneously to release the stops that hold it in place. This will allow the glove compartment to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. With the housing exposed, you'll see a cover held by two clips. Unclip these, then carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. The new one must be installed the same way, typically pointing downwards. Slide the new filter into place, then reattach the housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely. To finish up, lift the glove compartment back into position and push in on the sides to re-engage the stops. Don't forget to reattach the small dampener arm on the right side. Once everything is back together, close the glove compartment. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a fantastic book about money, check the description below. Enjoy your fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.